Alright, here's another waterfall in Malibu, and it looks like there's a waterfall next to it. Well, look at that. That's about, they say that's about 25 feet. You guys gonna climb up? I'm video cameraing this. So according to my waterfall book, we're supposed to come to another 25-foot falls, and then we need to figure out how to get down these falls. So there's either that way. That doesn't look too safe. See the waterway down there? We definitely can't climb down that way.
I think this thing goes up and then it comes down. Like it can come down right over there.
That's what I'm thinking. I think that trail right there, I'm thinking that goes up and then it goes down past this waterfall right here, so we can get to it.
Is there a trail up there? No.
No. So I'm thinking that's what we do. There's no way I'm climbing down that.
Alright, let's do it.
Then we gotta then there's another cliff right there. Edge.
I think it'll be cool to take a couple of photo shots.
Yeah.
Of this waterfall.
Our goal is to hike to the bottom of the waterfall. Alright, so we found a way around the cliff of the waterfall to go down there. It's way down there somewhere.
It's over there, I can see.
Oh, there it is, there it is. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and go down. I'll watch you first and then I'll do it. This is not too bad. You just gotta go down your butt.
Right now, Andre's our guinea pig. If any mountain lions get him, he'll be the food first.
All right, we actually figured out how to get down to the waterfall. Well, another one at least. That's pretty cool. We just had to go up and around. Not too bad. I'm almost down there. Whoa. I had to slide down on my butt a little bit, but that's about it. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Alright, now we're hiking downstream, trying to find the next waterfalls. I have no idea where the waterfalls are at, but I'm hoping that we'll get to them soon. They're somewhere.
Flag and stuff?
Oh no. Okay. So we're hiking upstream and we're just trying to find the waterfall. So we just keep on hiking. And keep on hiking. Alright, so we're almost to the waterfall.
This is the pool part.
Which is over there.
This is the pool.
And
pools right here.
We had to hike upstream to get there. There's some caves. That's a cool little cave.
Two little pool sections.
Look at that. This is beautiful. Look at that. We have finally arrived at our last waterfall for today. There we go. Now I just need to climb this rock edge right here to try and get over there.
1 second. Here's the waterfall, and here we have the unwilling participant.
And I just made it across.
Nice.
Here's straight down.
All right. Mission accomplished.
Okay, so we finally made it to our second waterfall today in Malibu. Actually, third waterfall, I think. So that's pretty cool, and it's got like the pools and stuff. Over summer, I guess this would be cool to go swimming in.
You definitely got the right thing going with thermal. Those things are awesome. I got one too. That's why I've done.
There's a ledge I gotta climb back on.
Yeah. It worked out pretty well. See, I just had
Now Ray is climbing that rock ledge. Okay, I think you got it. Now I gotta do that. Now we're going back. Yeah. Okay, here's the other one. Now we're going back. I just gotta go up this hill. Somehow there's a rope to help us.